Dinesh, I'm very excited to be talking to you and to everyone watching today. We have heard of India Mart. It is a very solid, strong B2B marketplace. You know, you're searching on internet, you have to invariably come to India Mart. And to me, it symbolizes the sturdiness of the model of the entrepreneur, of what Dinesh has built and what we've built out of India. Dinesh, today I want to ask you, in the last 10 years, startups, entrepreneurship, investments, everything has become very cool and the valuations are increasing. We are seeing companies become very, very large very quickly. You've built a business over the years. And I think this is a business which will stay for over the years. What, मतलब, tell us कि ये कैसे और कैसे आपने ये बनाया है, and how do you see your business building versus all the new age businesses that are coming up, क्योंकि अब तो B2B marketplace has become also exciting, as you know.
So, I think there are multiple questions that you smartly put into one.
You are also very smart. That's why I've asked you all this. So please answer for all of us.
First of all, when we started and when we grew up in 80s, typically, 70s and 80s. 70s and 80s were two very different decades. 70s were like Indira Gandhi, Janata Party, emergency. We were very small kid. But then 80s was very different, Rajiv Gandhi, computers, my engineering, college. And I think, and then 90s were even different. Suddenly IT, Y2K, US, which used to be a 1 in a million people used to go there. But, suddenly it felt like a Noida Delhi bus.
Yes, yes.
I did never plan to go there, but then since the bus was anyway running every day, I said, "Chalo udhar bhi ghum ke aate hain." And so in those early days, I think there were two things. One, if you see the quality of work in the computer and software was very high, because obviously you were constrained with so many limitations of computers. So the software has to work harder.
Yeah.
The hardware was limited, and the speeds were limited, memory was limited. So the software has to work harder. The languages were not as evolved as today's six-year-old kids coding. So from that perspective, I think we got much more deeper sense into how computers work and how technology work. Even now, maybe a lot of R&D people must be getting it. The second, when I wanted to come back, that story is very famous for me. On 15th of August 1995, Prime Minister announced from Lal Killa that internet is here to start from today. And the very next day in US, I resigned. I said, I have to go home.
Wow.
So it is that kind of a love for internet and computers and country. And when we came back, I think, as you said, the last 10 years have been very different, all about venture capital, valuation. In those days, you were simply building business, cash flow based business, where you could afford employee salaries, where you could make money for your family. And so I think for the first 2-3 years, it was more like, the traditional way of building any business. And you have to find a business which can sustain for itself with whatever little capital that you could invest from your family side. And that, I think, laid the foundation of making a sustainable business. I remember the first time in 98, 99, and suddenly, when Hotmail was acquired for $400 million. That was, I think, the first ever largest acquisition that had happened. And then somebody called me from Gujarat saying that हमने आपको चिट्ठी भेजी थी वेंचर कैपिटल के लिए. हमने कहा ये क्या होता है? उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हम आपको पैसे देंगे आपका बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए. हमने कहा हमको लोन नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
Nobody will give you money not to give him back. No, loan nahi chahiye. So I think that's the foundation. And second, with that foundation, we continue to build money, business, India Mart. For the first 13, 14 years, it was on a very different section. What India Mart today is more of a domestic B2B marketplace. For the first 14, 15, 13, 14 years, it was a pure export import marketplace. In fact, there were hardly any computers here in India when I came. Uh, Computers used to be very expensive. Internet was hardly working. We used to work mostly at night because internet at least used to work uh, little faster that time. Those were very different days. And then I think from 99, 2000 to 2006, 7, we continued, doing our business in the normal ways. बीच बीच में VC फंडिंग का कुछ हुआ, ऐसी हमें कोई जरूरत भी नहीं थी और ऐसा कुछ we were not as sexy as B2B today is. So from that perspective हमें कभी मिला भी नहीं और हमने कभी बहुत ज्यादा उसके लिए कोशिश भी नहीं की. But I think everything changed in 2007, 7, 8. One, I think the India has had a 5-year continuous history of 8% plus GDP growth. Telecom was here, automobiles were here, banking was here. I mean, IT was here, BPOs were here, call centers were here, disc were here. uh, Pubs as a word I had heard after coming back to, I didn't know the word pub in the US. So I think all that changed big time between 2003 and 2007, 8. And then this whole China, exports from China, everything made in China. Alibaba happened. Alibaba IPO happened in 2007. Mobile phone, smartphones was launched.
Yeah.
I think a lot of things changed, and that's when me and Brajesh sat down and said that, is export the only thing that we want to do? And we had earned some good money, by then. India Mart was profitable, 4-5 crore ka profit ho jata tha. I mean, life was good. But then we sat down and said, I think now is the time to relook at what we want to build over the next 10 years. India as an economy is growing big. What can we do for Indian general businessmen rather than only focusing maybe 50,000 exporters?
Yeah.
India would have like maybe 1 lakh exporters today, 2 lakh exporters. But then, we could make a little impact on them, SME, kuch earning. And we said, India was by that time home to like 25 million SMEs, which is today now 75 million.
Yeah.
15 years later. So we said, what can we do for that? And we didn't want to build that, 15 years slow, leading to a $10 million business. And we said, okay, if we can raise $10 million and we can try to make $100 million business over the next 10 years with making impact on India, for India, for millions and millions of, and here we are. I think, it took us 4 or 5 years of product market fit finding again, redoing everything, scaling, blitz scaling. I remember after raising money, it was the year 2010, September 2000, October 2009 board meeting. Nachiket said, "ये पैसा किस लिए raise किया था? खर्च तो हो नहीं रहा है, growth आपकी हो नहीं रही है." So वो मेरे बात मेरे को लग गई. And Nachiket will hear this out, this interview, and he'll kill me. So,
but a lot of entrepreneurs will love you. We want to hear you speak. Yes, yes. So much to learn.
बात लग गई मेरे को, and we were doing like 400 clients a month then. I simply, stood up and said, next financial year target is 4,000 client a month, from 400 to 4,000, 10x. And I remember November, December, we worked for it. And from January to December 2010, in 52 weeks, we opened 52 offices.
Wow.
Tuesday, one office has to be inaugurated along with the finding the office, setting up computers, finding the branch manager, getting everybody. And
Wow.
in March 2011, we did 4,000 customers.
Wow.
So I think that was something, the power of venture capital that you could see. And obviously the fallout again, next year, nobody liked us. Half the people hated us. We sold them left, right, center without finding the product market fit. So I think over the next 2, 3 years, a lot of time went into solving problem at scale. um, I think that was 2012, 13, 14. You know, and by 14, sometime, we had found the product market fit. The it started to work again in the similar manner as it happened between 99, 2000 to 2001, product market fit. And then we
Hmm.
enjoyed the benefit of that over the next 7, 8 years. I think from 2014 on, we have enjoyed the benefit of that product market fit over the last 7 years or so.
Yeah. But when you are telling this story, anyways, I'll come जो मेरे questions है मेरे दिमाग में, मगर ये कहना चाहती हूँ, इंडिया मार्ट एक बहुत ही strong ढांचा उसको कहते हैं ना, it's a business which at least to as an outsider, you are an entrepreneur, you are inside building, you build this, is बाहर से लगता है solid business है. Of course, sexy business नहीं लगता.
नहीं, हमें लगना भी नहीं है, बिकॉज फिर बहुत लोग पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, जानते हो आप, सेक्सी लोगों के पीछे पड़ जाते हैं लोग.
हाँ ठीक है, चलो यू टेकन इट वेल, मगर सॉलिड एक लगता है ढांचा है और ये रहेगा, मतलब समथिंग वेरी स्टर्डी, real, stable, normal, natural, and very Indian about the business that you build. Dinesh, I want to ask you that कैसे ऐसा बनता है? What are some of the things, if you have to tell all of us, that you've done? Because it doesn't happen easily. I feel this, you built a business which will stay beyond you, which will stay for a very, very, very long time.
Of course,
कैसे बनता
that
है?
is the, when I think when I started in 1996, I think I wanted to do a business for my Rozi Roti and a little bit of for India. But I think when we took this challenge up in 2008, uh, giving up all that profitable years and going back into equity
Yeah,
sharing, and so that time I think the vision changed completely. From there it became like a purpose, uh, that
hmm.
अब तो इंडिया के लिए कुछ करना है, अब तो एम्प्लॉयज के लिए कुछ करना है, अब तो एसएमईज के लिए कुछ करना है. एंड and then you tried and find a very long term problem. I would be disappointed if India Mart doesn't stay 100 years after me. uh,
Wow.
Something like that.
Oh, it
At
gives
least,
me goosebumps. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So you want to create a, yeah, let's solve problems for everybody. Every business, uh, and
Yeah,
start from one problem, which is access to market, because everybody needs customer, and everybody needs to find. And especially in India, uh, look at our, we only try to replicate what is there in the market. See, generally speaking, uh, I have seen, अभी आप जहाँ बैठे हो, ये कैबिनेट, ये फ्लावर पॉट, ये कुर्ता, ये whatever, आपको कुछ भी इसमें का अगर B2B का सामान इसके पीछे का खरीदना है, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आप इससे पूछते हो, उससे पूछते हो, ये कहाँ मिलेगा, कोई बोलेगा उस मार्केट में चले जाओ, वहां पे जा करके यू विल, एंड इंडिया इज ग्रोइंग, so many
yeah,
of us are growing up. Median age is now 29 years of age. So I think there's a lot more population which is going to become a money earning population, and they are all going to consume so much of automobile, so much of
yeah,
construction, so much of clothing, so much of everything. And these markets, these whole old wholesale markets, whether it is Chandni Chowk, Khari Baoli, or whether, I don't know about Bangalore, Bombay mein hai, they just can't uh, fulfill the need for this whole large growing population.
yeah,
And every day new industries are coming up, new technologies are coming up, and nobody makes software for them. Nobody gives them, no media is giving them advertising for them. Times of India पे तो वो नहीं advertise कर सकते ना, या Star Plus पे तो नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
So for them, there is no software. एक टैली बना था कभी 1996 में, उसके बाद कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर एसएमईज के लिए? They don't have a software, they don't have a CRM, they don't have a marketing channel. You don't have as a consumer, you don't have a way to find prices.
Them. Yeah.
And they are growing, and they will keep growing for the next 50 years. It is, I'm not saying it is IMF which is saying, it is World Bank which is saying, it is the UN which is saying that by 2050 our GDP will become probably the second or third in the world, after China and US, or maybe equivalent to China or US. So will be top 3 economies in the world, and to support all that, you need something.
Yeah.
And one India Mart won't be able to do that. It will consume probably hundreds of Amazon and India Mart and Flipkart and Udan and whatnot. If a China can have 300 plus $1 billion market cap companies at this scale, imagine what would be needed in India over the next 25 years.
Yeah.
So you are building it for making sure that मैं तो हमेशा challenge करता हूँ किसी भी कंपनी उसमें जाता हूँ IPO मीटिंग में, या so I simply say, जिस आप ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, I will simply give you a computer and close you the room, lock up in the room, and you have to source everything which is there, and you have to do it without going to India Mart. You have to do it without going to India Mart. You have all the Google, all the Amazon, all the entire internet available, but India Mart.
Yeah.
You can't go to the market. You can't ask anybody. You have to find it on internet only, and build this office without going to India Mart. That is not possible today.
Yeah.
I think हम तो कहते ही रहते थे, but then this got proven big time when the pandemic set in. In February itself, last year February itself, we suddenly saw demand for medical supplies going up like anything, different medical supplies, and medical was like a normal category for us, and then suddenly medical became like a hot category, and we didn't know nothing. So after the first 15 years of lockdown, first 15 days of lockdown, when we were to shift everything on the cloud and work from home, and employee safety and all that, from 1st of April onwards till 30th June, it was not about survival. It was all about serving. We became like यार हमारी वजह से एक हेल्थ केयर वर्कर की जान बच जाए.
Yeah.
We could supply. Nobody knew what is a PPE kit. Nobody knew what is a face shield is, what Covaxin, I mean anything for that matter, even BiPAP, CPAP, medical वालों को पता होगा. But then imagine the markets are closed. For many things, India Mart became the only place, kind of. So I think those 3 months, the entire organization became like as if we are, part of the government trying to save the country. Those were like very, responsible days when our purpose actually came in front of us.
Yeah, very, very powerful. And to everyone watching and all Indians, digital citizens watching, there is a sense of pride when it comes to India Mart. And I have to tell you also, of course, you're talking about something which is so very intrinsic this year, so very human, so very related to humanity, where you came, directly to serve. मगर मैं कहना चाहती हूँ आपको एक बहुत ही very silly thing in context to what you said. I love fabrics. और पता नहीं इंडिया मार्ट ही आता है कहीं फैब्रिक ढूंढो तो it is, for so many searches, India Mart is the de facto choice. And that brings me to the question, दिनेश की जब हम एसएमई के बारे में सोचते हैं, एमएसएमई के बारे में सोचते हैं, दे हैव कम टू द कन्वर्सेशन सो मच दिस ईयर, which I was talking to the finance minister, and इतने सारे एमएसएमई grants and disbursements, and one has to figure about this space because it contributes 35% to the GDP, employs so many people. But you are directly serving them. What do you have to tell us about SMEs? क्योंकि इसको एक monolithic entity की तरह देखा जाता है, और कहीं ना कहीं एक there is a stigma, not stigma, but a bias कि वो grow नहीं किए हैं जितना वो grow कर सकते थे इंडिया में.
One SME is not just one single community, to everybody SME looks very different. When a Microsoft classifies SME, for them SME is very different. When a bank classifies SME, for them SME is very different. When a stock market classified SME, the SME is very, for them we are the SME. So I think SME is very, very different. In our honorable Prime Minister's word, Pakoda Wala is also an SME. Mumphli Wala is also an SME. In our, we say that every Kisan is also a businessman. He's a self-employed businessman. So, SMEs के लिए एक single वो बन नहीं सकता कभी. And largely, if you look at the last 20 years of, or last 30 years of the promotion for SMEs, they were largely driven during the early 90s for the purpose of exports. Export subsidy, marketing facilitation, and that. I don't think we have been able to really find a way beyond credit. I think credit is something, of course, we have done, whatever we could in the last 20 years. But beyond credit on the marketing side, and I can only speak on the marketing side because that's what I have spent last 25 years, and 25 years, my 25 years are completing in 6 days now. So
wow.
First of April 1996, we started, and we'll complete 25 years. So 1st April, you release this video on the 1st of April.
Done.
Edit them by whatever 6 days you have to edit.
But Dinesh, before you continue, I have to say, बहुत पता है, I can feel it. आदमी tired हो जाता है 10 साल 12 साल इतने साल खड़े रहना, and having that rigor and humor and humility that you have. It's extremely inspiring, and then to everyone who will watch this will agree with me. So yes, please continue.
For SMEs, they need ease of doing business. They need ease of filing taxes. They need ease of finding land they need ease of finding power, electricity. They need better roads, better transportation. They need those infra. The other thing they may need is more information, and IndiaMart helps them provide the price information, supplier information, product specification, and those things. I think somewhere over the years, government has tried to do many things, but has this really reached? So, for example, on one side, GST has helped a lot in doing the cross-border transaction. Otherwise, her state में आपको बेचने के लिए local registration and all that करना पड़ता था. Transportation में जो time लगता था, that has reduced big time. But on the other hand, everybody has to file electronic taxes, e-way bill, now e-invoicing, which is good for you and me. We are all sitting in front of computer. Imagine a lathe machine wala who does a 50 lakh rupees or 25 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees ka turnover and makes maybe 5 lakh rupees a year. For him, arranging a printer, arranging a computer, 10 times going to a CA or all that is difficult.
Yes.
So on one side, we have made a lot of progress in terms of better transportation. Uh, but on the other hand, probably some of it, and that is probably leading to a split economy. There are um, formalized economy, and then there are all these small micro businesses which are below 40 lakh rupees, because it started from 10-20 lakh rupees GST and then was increased to 40 lakh rupees. यार 50 लाख के नीचे वाले जाओ अपना कर लो जैसे भी करना है. मतलब
yeah,
even at India Mart we don't give them subscription.
yeah,
So it has created a split economy, and we need to take care of them. We can't be just looking at urban economy or organized places. A lot of taxes have come from the organized businesses. Similarly, access to software. Thankfully, because of the SaaS, अगर SaaS नहीं होता तो SMEs के लिए कोई सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं बनाता, भी नहीं बनाता, because distributing the software was so very difficult. Release 1,
yeah,
release 2, version 1, version 2, backup, all that. Now, because of SaaS, at least, everybody can have a same set of software, just like television.
yeah, yeah,
Me and the Kisan or the labor, all of us can watch the same Aaj Tak and same Star and same, sports on a click of a.
yeah,
Similar thing has now happened because of this, because it's a small, cheaper computer, 5,000 रुपए 10,000 रुपए में मिल जाता है. I'm sure 2-3 हजार में भी मिल जाता है.
yeah,
And then it is much more powerful, connected all the time to the internet. You don't have to worry about the version control, the software and all that. And that is how you are seeing so many new age software companies. Vyapar is one company we invested uh, about a year and a half ago. You can see Khata Books, OK Credits, Pagar Book, and so many others. So many others now making software because if I have computer, I won't be always be using it for chat and video, and someday I would be using it for some productive means.
yeah,
So now WhatsApp is also creating some kind of a catalog, some kind of a payment. And the second big thing that has happened, probably good, the best for SMEs, is the our digital India infrastructure of the payments. I
yeah,
think we are probably one of the most advanced infrastructure when it comes to the digital payments, and at a zero cost. So
yeah,
UPI almost comes at a zero cost to anybody and everybody, peer to peer, B2C, C2C, B2B, and
yeah,
B2B it may require, and even prior to that, for B2B payments, NEFT RTGS always existed at such a low cost. You can't imagine that happening in anywhere in the developed nation. So I think a lot of things have been done for SMEs, but even now, the new ones which are coming, under the leadership of Nandan Nilekani and others, which is the India Stack Foundation, and then OKEN, and then this account aggregator framework, all that will help easier flow of money and easier flow of credit and easier flow of information, and all that will help the entire ecosystem of India Mart, and Google and Amazon and Facebook and everybody. So I think over the next, I would say that this whole century onwards, it will be probably the internet and mobile related
yeah,
developments, and more so now. Earlier in India, or the computers in India were limited to people who could use English and keyboard and that. I think that has changed a big time because of the voice being so easily available, the
yeah,
video being so easily available, artificial intelligence making it easier recommendation for anything and everything. So I think, and so much of data is also getting collected to
yeah,
make sure all that happens. So you are no longer handicapped because you can't read or write English, because you can't afford a 50,000 rupees computer, so you can't use that internet. So internet there was a digital divide until around 2013, 14, 15, and maybe 16 after the Geo came. But that whole digital divide actually collapsed. Now, even a village person, even a small girl in a village can fairly use
Yeah.
YouTube and WhatsApp and India Mart and मतलब किसान भी इंडिया मार्ट यूज कर पा रहे हैं.
ये आपने एक बहुत बड़ी बात बोली, एंड आई वांट टू ब्रिंग यू बैक टू दैट कि रूम में बंद कर लो और ढूंढो कि बिना इंडिया मार्ट के सामान. It comes out of a lot of great rigor, understanding, depth of building a business, and a pride which comes out of extreme hard work. Because in a way, Dinesh, today, let's admit it, you are also competing with who's who.
Yeah, sure.
मतलब that's a fact. और आएंगे और आते जाएंगे who's who. पैसे बहुत सारे we are
And
seeing.
billions of dollars,
Of
and
course,
you know,
not less money, billions and billions, right? So वहां पे इतने रिगर के साथ खड़े रहने कैसे होता है? आई deconstruct it for us, please.
I think simple first principle thoughts. One, uh, you can't control everything from day one, but at the same time, the only thing that you can control is that every day you will get up and do that. Hard work. Strategy तो रोज नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
You can't find a strategic change every now and then, but when you execute it every day, with the hard work, with the passion, and you feel that you are something is happening, some success is happening. With that, every 9 months, every 6 months, every 1 year, you will find one strategic lever, because you are doing it every day in, day out, the same thing over and over. So you will find some strategic lever. And that has happened with us. So for example, from day one, when we restarted this India Mart, and that habit came to me even before in 2003, 2004, when we started a company on biz trade shows, which used to list the trade fairs in the world, any trade fair in the world. And our target was that no trade fair announced anywhere in the world should not be available on, if it should be available. And we set up a process to make sure that we scan every magazine, every website, every embassy website. And from there, this whole learning came that if you want to build a domestic B2B marketplace, I think Just Dial has done a great job there. Any business that you want to find, they have a listing. Even if MSME ministry may not have, the telephone directory may not have, the Just Dial used to have every business. We used to call so many times. We used to call that 2222 number. That came like a big inspiration, because Google पे तो मिलता नहीं है. Google पे तो जब पहुंचेगा, जब digital पहुंचेगा. But Just Dial did that ever since in 96 onwards. We used to stand in front of every exhibition, every directory that we could find our hands on, every magazine में जो भी ad छपता है, कहीं पे भी छपता है, we'll just pick up that ad and make sure that we call that person कि आप free listing करा लीजिए इंडिया मार्ट पे. That's like one simple thing that you can do. At least that much you can do. And that you can do for 50 साल तक तो कर ही सकते हो आप. हमने 5 साल every day inquiries used to come by on internet. We used to print them overnight, fax them overnight, and send them by post every day. 5 साल तक हमने हर इंटरनेट इंक्वायरी को बाई पोस्ट भेजा है, बाई फैक्स भेजा है, एवरी डे. सो अगर हम उससे नहीं थके तो ये तो कर ही सकते हैं.
वाओ, या रिगर खड़े हैं, मतलब खड़े हैं और रिगर. So what you are saying is that strategy and of course everything and thinking, purposeful thinking, but nothing beats getting up every day and being in the battleground every day. मतलब getting up, getting ready, showing up and doing. सिंसियरिटी के साथ लग के करना.
हाँ, बस करते रहो. मतलब अगर 1 घंटे भी 2 घंटे भी हफ्ते में उसके लिए फिर उसको उसका मंथन मंथन कुछ किया तो कुछ तो स्ट्रेटजी निकलेगी।
Wow. Yeah.
हर कस्टमर
Yeah.
का अकाउंट खोल के देखो भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है। 50 खोलोगे तो एक तो नहीं मिलेगा कहीं तो।
Wow. Wow.
सिंपल सिंपल काम यही है बस।
Wow. See, this to me, this is like a master class in building sustainable, profitable, and a lasting business. दिनेश, कभी दिल पे नहीं लगता था बीच में जब and I'm asking you a very personal question and I want you to be honest. कभी दिल पे नहीं लगा that at some point you were not celebrated, recognized India Mart as much as a lot of new age companies which raised a lot of valuation, got that attention from the country?
When we started as a cash flow company. So I'll go back again in the history. And first time in 1998, we started to see a lot of ads coming. Times of India में आधा पेज का ऐड आने लग गया, मेड इन इंडिया। हम बॉम्बे गए ऑफिस खोलने के लिए, देखा आधा बॉम्बे लाल रंगा हुआ है रिडिफ के रेड। एंड वी सेड यार ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ है, हम भी इंटरनेट का काम करते हैं, ये लोग कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहे होंगे, इनके पास। I didn't know the source of money. I just, but then I think over the next year and a half, when this started to happen far more quickly.
Which ad did you see? Which one?
Rediff.
अच्छा, Rediff का, अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ
Rediff
हाँ,
went IPO in
yeah,
99 or so on Nasdaq.
yeah.
And then, this Hotmail happened, and then made in India, India markets, मतलब कुछ इंडिया मार्ट के, हमने कम से कम 25 सालों में 25 इंडिया मार्ट तो देखे हैं, अलग अलग लोगों के इंडिया मार्ट वर्जन्स। टाटा B2B, टाइम्स B2B, इवन नाउ कुछ ना
Yes.
कुछ टाटा B2B चलता रहता है। सो आई गेस हमें हमेशा लगा कि शायद हम उतना नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बिकॉज वी आर स्मॉल बिजनेस। वी आई थिंक दैट मिथ वाज फाइनली ब्रोकन इन 2001। सो वी 99 में 2000 में जब .com क्रैश हो गया and we were growing leaps and bound, so we needed more office space, more. On the other hand, this Go for Eyes and so many other companies were closing overnight and 300 लोग बाहर जा रहे थे। हमें समझ में नहीं आया, हमने सोचा पता नहीं क्या है। So we just said हमारा तो चल रहा है, maybe these are domestic businesses, domestic में कुछ problem होगा, हमारा तो export business अच्छा चल रहा है। And I bought an office के लिए जमीन लेनी पड़ गई क्योंकि हम किराए पे बार बार ऑफिस बदल के मतलब परेशान हो गए थे। हमने घर के लिए एक जमीन ली थी, उसको बेच करके ऑफिस और कुछ लोन वगैरह ले करके। One fine day, one person called from Business World saying that you guys are not responding to PR mails. So I said, PR वाले को तो हमने बहुत पहले बंद कर दिया है, हमें PR वगैरह we can't afford. And so he said, नहीं, we have to. Are you still surviving? I said, yes, we are still surviving, very well, thriving, all good. Why? We are doing a survey on the surviving companies. I said, yes. So how much money are you losing? Who is the investors? I said, nobody is investor. We are self-sustained. And that time we came to know that we were one of the best companies who in the internet who are making the revenue and making profit. So otherwise,
Yeah.
कैसे पता लगता? You only come to know. So I think from that point on, I stopped feeling disheartened with कहीं बहुत बड़ी फंडिंग हो गई या कहीं बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन हो गया, इंडिया मार्ट आया नहीं आया, बिकॉज हमारा अपना पाथ ठीक चल रहा। वी आर मेकिंग रेवेन्यू, वी आर ग्रोइंग एवरी ईयर बाई कभी 50-60%, 20-30%, 30%, 25 से 50% के बीच में हम वो भी कर रहे हैं, प्रॉफिटेबल भी हैं। सो एंड ऑल सेड एंड डन, आई हैव सीन दैट every 2-3 years, if you look at top 10, top 20 companies, हम थे। तो कहीं
हम
10वें
भी
नंबर
देखे
पे 8वें
over
नंबर।
the years, देखे India
हाँ,
Mart has stayed, we have grown. Yeah.
so I think it really doesn't matter कि बीच में एक in fact अच्छा ही लगता है चलो और पैसे आए कहीं से, फॉरेन से, किसी और बहुत सारा टैलेंट आएगा, एंड इफ द कंपनी सक्सीड्स इट विल एक्सपैंड द मार्केट, इफ द कंपनी डजंट सक्सीड द टैलेंट विल कम टू अस.
No, but this too, everyone watching will agree with me. So much to learn and respect for you, Dinesh, and for your team and what you have built. Because this is, I am saying, as an entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. कोई भी जो खड़ा है मैदान में सालों साल will understand what it means, and especially for your business, because you have made it attractive over the years. It is, and this, as you said, it will grow. Abhi aa raha hai paisa. There are so many. We are hearing such astronomical valuations and B2B marketplaces and all that. And you have made such a solid, sturdy brand. Okay. अभी मैं जल्दी से खत्म करती हूँ दो क्वेश्चंस पूछकर कि एक, इफ यू हैव टू लुक बैक एट योर जर्नी दिनेश, एक दो चीजें कहना कि मैंने जिंदगी जो अभी तक जी है, because you've given a significant part of your life, significant part of your youth to building, living, doing this. अगर देखना है तो कहने की ये 25-26 साल, what has it meant for you? क्या है ये जिंदगी का मतलब जो इतना बड़ा जिंदगी दिया है, what has it meant?
मेरे को तो सब कुछ यहीं से मिला है. माय फ्रेंड्स आर माय, जो मेरे एम्प्लॉइज हैं, मैं उनकी, दिल्ली में मेरा कोई नहीं था, तो जो मेरे फर्स्ट फ्यू कपल ऑफ 100 एम्प्लॉइज हैं, उन्हीं की फैमिली से हमारा मिलना जुलना है, वही हमारी फैमिली है. I have a large family back home. I come from a place called Nanpara, डिस्ट्रिक्ट बहराइच, ये नेपाल बॉर्डर पे एक छोटा सा टाउन है 17 किलोमीटर दूर पे. हिंदी मीडियम से हम लोग पढ़े लिखे, वहाँ पे सरकारी स्कूल में पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के, फिर लखनऊ पढ़े, फिर कानपुर पढ़े. वी कम फ्रॉम अ गुड ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस फैमिली, हमारे अच्छे बिजनेस हैं. माय ग्रैंडफादर के वाज अ फ्रीडम फाइटर, ही वाज एन एमएलए आल्सो. So come from a nice humble background. I think I have really enjoyed every moment of India Mart, every day of last 25 years. इतनी जल्दी साल पास हो जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं लगता. So I think today when I look back, I miss those when we were small. साल दो लोग थे, हम लोग हर तीसरे महीने पार्टी कर पाते थे, एक दूसरे को सबको जानते थे, सबके बच्चों के नाम तक पता होते थे. So I think I miss those days. अब मैंने इंटरनेट पे ऐसा कोई भी काम नहीं, आप आज अब मुझे इंडिया मार्ट के लिए जानते हो, बट मैं बताता हूँ मैंने कौन सा इंटरनेट का बिजनेस नहीं किया. सबसे पहले ई कॉमर्स की वेबसाइट हमने बनाई, निरुलास की. सबसे पहले ऑनलाइन पेमेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड का हमने लिया. सबसे पहली गिफ्ट ई कॉमर्स की एक वेबसाइट, गिफ्ट की वेबसाइट हमने बनाई, उसका नाम आज भी चलती है, indiangiftportal.com के नाम से. ट्रैवल की वेबसाइट हमने सबसे पहले बनाई इंडियन ट्रैवल पोर्टल के नाम से. कम से कम 50 ट्रैवल की वेबसाइटें बनाई होंगी. होटल रिजर्वेशन की वेबसाइट हमने बनाई, ट्रेड फेयर की मैंने आपको बताया, स्टॉक मार्केट की आपको ऑनलाइन के नाम से हमने बनाई, हेलो ट्रेड एक इंटरनेशनल पोर्टल हमने बनाया, हेलो ट्रैवल एक अभी भी चलता है हमारे, माय ब्रदर रन्स इट, क्लिक इंडिया मोर लाइक OLX काइंड ऑफ अ क्लासिफाइड हमने बनाया. सो व्हेन इन 25 सालों में हमने कम से कम 25 अलग अलग छोटे छोटे इंटरनेट के बिजनेसेस किए, उसमें से एक ही स्केल करता रहा, बाकी सारे हम स्केल भी नहीं कर पाए. एंड दिस आई थिंक लर्न आफ्टर 2010. हमने अगले 2-3 सालों में वो सारे बंद किए, carrying too many of them. So if I look back, I want to relive this last 25 years in the next 25 years again. It's been such a wonderful and बीच में गुस्सा भी हुआ होगा, रोए भी होंगे, झगड़ा भी हुआ होगा, but I guess it's been a really wonderful journey, and especially in this 25th year, which has been such a dramatic year. This financial year we didn't open office. इस financial year शुरू होने के पहले हमने बंद कर दिया था ऑफिस, और अभी तक ऑफिस खुला नहीं है. Office will open maybe in April अगर सब कुछ ठीक रहा तो. So the entire 25th year we spend at home. I think it's been, and our IPO happened last year. Whatever wealth has been created literally in the last 6 months. So today, 15% of our company is owned by past and present employees. At today's
Wow.
valuation, that would means about uh, you know 4,000 crore के आसपास.
Wow.
So about 500 people, 600 people. Uh, so I think we have been able to. And आज की तारीख में 150 लोग हमारे पास हैं जो 10 साल से ज्यादा से हमारे साथ काम करते हैं.
Wow.
So we have people who have been working with us 20 years now, 15 years now. So I think that team has really delivered. That kind of people who believed in that vision. So I think हमारे साथ जो लोग भी जुड़े वो भी बहुत similar type के लोग जुड़े जो who enjoy this whole journey.
You know, you used a very nice word कि रोज खड़े रहने से सब वीकेंड में 2 वीकेंड में कुछ मंथन से निकल जाता है. You know, I am telling you, ये इंटरव्यू एक मंथन लग रहा है मुझे. There's so much one can keep watching this. There's so much in the words that you're saying, such simple words but such powerful journey, Dinesh. Wow, I'm going to keep watching this because there's so much to take. फौज की मैदान में कैसे खड़े रहना होता है. There's so much. You're not using the jargon or
jargons तो मैं
employing.
बोल भी नहीं पाऊंगा because इंग्लिश उतनी अच्छी कभी मेरी थी नहीं because और हिंदी जो थी अच्छी वो भूल गई.
Employee engagement, customer management, strategic thinking, सब कुछ हमने सब सीख लिया. This is a master class. Before I let you go, Mr. Dinesh Agrawal, tell me, what does money mean to you? You're talking on Money Matters show. What has money personally meant to you?
So I think in the initial days, I come from a well-off, nice family, as I told you. And money, either it meant that at least there should be so much that we could be creating some kind of an impact. An impact could be, both kind of impact. It could be business impact. It could be societal impact. Within the business impact, can we employ like 100,000 people directly or indirectly? And can we create wealth for them? Can we create revenue? Can our customers say that IndiaMart is not a cost center?
Yeah.
IndiaMart is not a cost center.
Yeah.
IndiaMart is a revenue center, profit center. Help them grow. IndiaMart उनके लिए cost center नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
The second thing is, what can you do in the society? Society may there are two things. Can you leave something for the economy? When we make money, we make money out of only 3% of the total businesses that get benefited out of IndiaMart. Just like Google or everybody benefits from Google, but Google makes money from a very small set of customers. And without hurting, कि 97% का बिजनेस लेके 3% को नहीं दिया जाता. So actually उन 97% की वजह से उन 3% को बिजनेस मिलता है. So there is a economic impact that you can create on the nation. Today if we have 1.5 lakh customer, हर एक के यहाँ कम से कम 2 आदमी एम्प्लॉयड हैं जो केवल इंडिया मार्ट के लिए काम करते हैं. So 3 लाख लोग इनडायरेक्टली एम्प्लॉयड हैं जो इंडिया मार्ट पे दिन भर लॉग इन करते हैं. They just do that. Again, and then finally comes here, now that I've become 50 years of age, you've earned something. What can you do for the society? Upliftment of weaker section. I personally have my heart towards, girl child education, that side of it. So can I create some kind of a lasting legacy? Because I can't go to every village and start a school, but how can I create? So I've started to doing some scholarship program for economically weaker girl side. Last year करना था, ज्योति कलश के नाम से हम शुरू कर रहे. So we have been able to find only 50 girls this year because हमको launch करना था मार्च अप्रैल में, and then this pandemic हो गया, इस साल स्कूल ही नहीं खुले. So but I think so there are 4 or 5 ways you can make use of money. One, you collect money from a small set of people, create benefit for a large number of people. So whether they are employees, customers,
Yeah.
employees, or free listed businesses or buyers who have benefited. Similarly, what can you do for in general economy and society?
Wow.
And it definitely brings security and fame to your family.
Wow. This has been such an honor. Very, very inspiring. And we are going to make this live, and hopefully, everyone will watch this on 1st of April, 25 years.
Yeah, hashtag 25 years of India Mart.
Wow. An honor, a true honor, privilege talking to you. This is Manthan. This has been a masterclass. Thank you so much, Dinesh.
हमारा email ID है manthan@indiamart.com. Thank you very much, Ratna. Thank you. You're so nice.
Thank you.
Always a
Yeah,
pleasure.
I keep torturing you. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
cool. Thank you.